Common chimpanzee, highly social primates known for intelligence, tool use, and living in large communities. These fascinating great apes, our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom, exhibit complex social structures and an impressive capacity for problem solving that continues to captivate scientists and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Their communities, which can range from a few individuals to over 100, are dynamic and intricate, built upon a foundation of shifting alliances, friendships, and rivalries. Within these groups, chimpanzees communicate using a wide array of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions, creating a rich social tapestry. One of their most remarkable traits is their ability to create and use tools, a skill once thought to be exclusively human. They fashion twigs to extract termites from mounds, use stones to crack open hard-shelled nuts, and even employ leaves as sponges to soak up drinking water. This intelligence is not just about survival. It reflects a deep understanding of their environment and the resources within it. Living primarily in the forests and savannas of equatorial Africa, the common chimpanzee is a keystone species, playing a vital role in seed dispersal and the overall health of their ecosystem. However, their populations are under severe threat from habitat loss. Poaching, eastern chimpanzee, found in East Africa, slightly larger and darker, known for strong family bonds. This particular subspecies, scientifically named *pan troglodytes schweinfurthi*, roams the forests of countries like Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Visually, they often present a slightly more robust build compared to their western cousins, with darker fur that can appear almost black in the dense forest light. What truly sets the eastern chimpanzee apart, however, is the profound depth of their social connections, especially the powerful and enduring bonds within families. The relationship between a mother and her offspring is particularly strong and can last a lifetime, with young chimpanzees staying with their mothers for many years to learn essential survival skills. This extended learning period ensures that knowledge about foraging techniques, tool use, and social etiquette is passed down through generations. Brothers often form tight-knit alliances, supporting each other in social disputes and cooperative hunts. These strong family units are the bedrock of their larger community, providing stability and support. Researchers have observed them engaging in complex social behaviors, such as grooming, which reinforces these bonds and helps maintain group harmony. Their life in the rich, biodiverse ecosystems of East Africa is a testament to the importance of kinship and cooperation. In the animal world, Western chimpanzee uses unique tools like stone hammers, has cultural behaviors different from other groups, inhabiting the woodlands and forests of West Africa, from Senegal to Ghana. The western chimpanzee *pan troglodytes varus* is a critically endangered subspecies, with a truly remarkable and distinct cultural identity. One of their most celebrated behaviors is their sophisticated use of tools, which demonstrates a level of ingenuity that varies significantly from other chimpanzee populations. They are famous for using stone and wooden hammers, or anvils, to crack open tough nuts like those from the panda tree, a behavior not commonly seen in other subspecies. This skill is not innate. It is learned by young chimpanzees through years of observation and practice, passed down as a cultural tradition. Beyond nut cracking, they have been observed using pointed sticks as spears to hunt small mammals, and they also engage in unique social customs. For example, some groups have been seen throwing stones at trees, a mysterious ritual whose purpose is still being studied, but appears to be a form of communication or display. These distinct, localized traditions are a powerful example of animal culture, showing that behaviors can be socially learned and transmitted, creating unique lifestyles in different communities. Much like in human societies, protecting these chimpanzees is not just about saving a species, it's about preserving a unique and ancient culture. Central chimpanzee lives in dense African rainforests, excellent climbers and foragers. As the most numerous and widespread of the chimpanzee subspecies, the central chimpanzee *pan troglodytes thrives in the vast, humid rainforests of Central Africa, including countries like Cameroon, Gabon, and the Republic of Congo. Their environment has shaped them into masters of arboreal life. With their long, powerful arms and grasping feet, they are exceptionally skilled climbers, navigating the forest canopy with incredible agility and speed. They spend a significant portion of their day high in the trees, where they build sturdy nests each night for sleeping, a safe distance from ground-dwelling predators. These rainforests offer a veritable buffet, and central chimpanzees are expert foragers, possessing an extensive mental map of their territory that allows them to locate fruiting trees throughout the year. Their diet is incredibly varied, consisting mainly of ripe fruits, but also supplemented with leaves, stems, flowers, and a considerable amount of protein from insects and occasionally, through coordinated group hunts, small mammals like monkeys. Their life in the dense, green heart of Africa is a perfect illustration of adaptation to a complex and challenging ecosystem. Nigerian-Cameroon Chimpanzee, the rarest subspecies, small populations in forested mountain regions, holding the unfortunate distinction of being the most endangered of all chimpanzee subspecies. The Nigeria-Cameroon Chimpanzee *Pan-troglodytes Elioti * is found in a fragmented range along the border of Nigeria and Cameroon. Their populations are small and isolated, clinging to survival in the rugged, forested mountain regions and highlands that characterize their habitat. This isolation has made them genetically distinct from other chimpanzee groups, adding to their conservation importance. Living in these higher altitude environments presents unique challenges, and they have adapted accordingly. Their habitat is a mosaic of rainforest, montane forest, and grassland, requiring them to be flexible in their foraging strategies due to intense pressure from human activities, including deforestation for agriculture and illegal hunting for bushmeat. Their numbers have dwindled alarmingly. Conservationists are in a race against time to protect the remaining pockets of forest where these rare chimpanzees live. Every effort to save the Nigeria-Cameroon chimpanzee is a fight to preserve a vital piece of the world as primate heritage before it disappears forever. Young chimpanzee, playful, curious, and learns by copying adults, often seen swinging and exploring. The early years of a chimpanzee's life are a whirlwind of activity, defined by an insatiable curiosity and a boundless energy for play. For the first several years, a young chimpanzee is almost inseparable from its mother, riding on her back during travel and sleeping in her nest at night. Through keen observation and imitation, the young chimp learns everything it needs to know to survive and thrive in its complex social and physical world. They learn the group's social rules, which gestures to use, and how to navigate the intricate hierarchy. Play is not just for fun, it is a critical part of their development. Chasing, wrestling, and tickling with other youngsters helps build social bonds, develop physical coordination, and practice skills they will need as adults, such as those for hunting or defending themselves. Whether they are swinging adventurously from vine to vine or cautiously exploring a new object with their fingers and lips, young chimpanzees are constantly gathering information, their minds like sponges absorbing the culture and knowledge of their community. Alpha male chimpanzee leads the group, maintains order, and protects the community. When fights break out, it is often the alpha male who intervenes, using intimidating displays of charging, stamping, and branch waving to restore order and settle disputes. The alpha also plays a crucial role in protecting the community from external threats, leading patrols of the territory's borders and coordinating a defense against rival chimpanzee groups or predators. Female chimpanzee, important caregivers, raise infants for years and teach key survival skills. While male chimpanzees compete for status and dominance, the females form the stable, nurturing core of the community. A female chimpanzee is an exceptionally dedicated caregiver, typically giving birth to a single infant every 5 to 6 years. Forest-dwelling chimpanzee builds nests high in trees and finds fruits, leaves, and insects in the canopy. For chimpanzees living in the dense tropical rainforests of Africa, life is a three-dimensional experience, lived largely in the vertical world of the forest canopy. These primates are superbly adapted for an arboreal lifestyle. Each evening, they display their remarkable engineering skills by constructing a fresh nest high up in the trees. They carefully weave together branches and line them with soft leaves to create a comfortable and secure platform for sleeping, safe from nocturnal predators on the forest floor. The canopy is also their primary supermarket. They are expert foragers, moving with impressive agility through the branches in search of their favorite food, ripe fruit. Their diet is supplemented with a wide variety of other forest resources, including young leaves, blossoms, stems, and pith. They are also skilled at finding protein, meticulously searching for insects like termites and ants, often using specially prepared tools to extract them from their nests. This forest environment provides everything they need: food, water, and shelter, but it also demands an intricate knowledge of the ecosystem's cycles and a powerful memory to recall the locations of seasonally available resources. Savanna chimpanzee lives in more open environments and travels long distances for food and water. In the drier, more open woodland savanna mosaics at the edges of the African rainforest, A unique type of chimpanzee has adapted to a much tougher way of life. These savanna chimpanzees face environmental challenges that are vastly different from those of their forest-dwelling relatives. Food and water sources are scarcer and more patchily distributed, forcing them to live in much larger territories, sometimes over 100 square kilometers. To survive, they must travel much longer distances each day, often on the ground, in their relentless search for sustenance. This has led to physical adaptations, such as more robust legs for terrestrial travel. The intense heat of the savanna also influences their behavior. They are known to rest in caves or cool off by sitting in pools of water during the hottest parts of the day. Their diet is often more varied and includes more tough, fibrous foods. They have been observed using tools in innovative ways to access scarce resources, such as digging for water or using sharp sticks to hunt small animals sheltering in tree hollows. The challenging conditions have forged a resilient and resourceful primate, demonstrating the remarkable adaptability of chimpanzees to diverse and demanding landscapes.